Alright, I like what you got there. Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line. Hey yo, shut it down.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, see they act, never gotta roll with ice. Generations caught up, look how things will switch.
Welcome back to the channel. Those of you newcomers, go ahead and push that red subscribe button and join the family. Get this breakfast. We got a burger royale, homemade. There you go. And I'm about to throw down, okay? And some coffee. Here you go. Good morning. Hey, you guys. We're on our way to the local market. You can see Victo in the back, and Ali, Naeem. And we're on our way to the local market. We're going to see what they got. Just for information, so you know, your Grab is going to work in Malaysia. So be sure to download Grab on your phone because it works just fine. Okay? Like I said, we're on our way to the market, but as you can see, Malaysia is an awesome city. I mean, just the huge buildings, everything. It's just beautiful. So if you're in Southeast Asia, you want to make sure you get a chance to visit Malaysia because it will be amazing to you and a wonderful experience. I don't think we're too far out now from the market. We'll be ready to get out and walk around and see what we can get into. Guys, we're at the local market, and as you can see, look at that. Wow. It's a whole cow head, cow feet. Look. Oh, I don't know what that is. Wow. That's a skirt. It's the local market. And then they have every fish. Yeah. We're going to get something. Oh, stink bad. All of the fresh fruit, vegetables. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh.
So we can go back there. There is a like vegetable market. Just come. What's the quality?
Well, what I didn't realize is that once I picked out the chicken and they were going to kill it, I felt some type of way. I even almost went to tears. I guess when we go to the grocery store and we buy food, we just don't correlate it with the actual killing of the animal. We don't think about that. And I did go ahead and purchase some chicken. But when I got home and I fixed dinner and fried chicken for everybody, I was not able to eat it. So I wasn't expecting that. I guess that means for future purchases, I have to think about that before I make the purchase.
साफ करो भाईजान, अच्छे से भाईजान साफ करो। ये सबको जो से छिड़के वगैरह से साफ करो।
Like wings. Yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
साफ
Yeah, take off.
In the middle.
Yeah, and this is salad. It's called snake fruit.
It's like snake skin.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
That's cool. I want you to say hi to YouTube.
Say hi to Indonesia.
Yeah.
Okay, reply.
I'm here.
Hey, hello, me Indonesia. Mango, Thailand, Brazil, Malaysia. Bye bye. See you.
Papaya? I don't see papaya. Sweet potato. No papaya. As you can see, we're on our way home. And we walked back a different way I hadn't been before. It was very interesting. Up under where the water comes out. And they were saying that at one time it rained and flooded all of that. And see, these are our great friends. We had a great day today. We got some food. We're going to go back to the hotel and cook and some more of our shenanigans. We catch you in the next one.